Seeing those waves, of course, seeing that wind and the rain. You can see the wind because the camera's kind of blowing around a little bit at times. What we're expecting here is steady and occasionally heavy rain. Between now and Monday, 3 to 5 inches of rain are possible. Some isolated spots could see even more rain than that. Most of that rain will come today into early tomorrow morning. So that's why we've got the highest flash flood threat for today and tomorrow. And today and tomorrow we also have winds that are near tropical storm force. Here's a look at our wind speeds at this point. We've got 10 to 20 mile per hour winds to start off the day. We've seen some winds higher in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, and that will pick up again as we head into the next couple of hours. Here's our max wind gusts from the past 24 hours. 33 miles per hour in Greensboro, 31 in Burlington and in Winston-Salem at this point. These numbers will be in the 50 to 60 mile per hour range by the time today is over. Here's a look at satellite and radar, where we've got some of that cloud cover out there for sure, and we are getting a quick break from the rain in the triad, but it is on the way back. And once it returns, it again will be pretty hard to find some breaks. As we're looking outside at our rain totals so far, we've gotten about 1/4 of an inch of rain already in some spots. And again, we're just getting into the peak of this event. So here's a look at the triad 18-hour forecast. Today isn't just an impact day, it's an alert day. So that's because of that tropical storm warning. Temperatures are getting into the upper 50s, close to 60 degrees. So it's a cool, drizzly rain at times and then steady, heavy downpours. We've got those high rain chances, but also high winds, 20 to 40 miles per hour for those wind speeds, with the gusts in the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. In the foothills, pretty similar forecast there. The foothills not included in that tropical storm warning, but they do have a wind advisory and that flood watch to be concerned about today. And in the mountains, my big concern here with all of that rain will really be mudslides, and we could see some high rain totals there. Here's a look at the next couple of hours. We're watching those wind speeds climb even in the next few hours here, seeing 2:30 p.m. expecting gusts in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range as that rain increases. When we stop seeing blue on the map and we start seeing yellows, oranges and reds, that's when we're really kind of in the thick of it. As we head towards the later evening hours, 5:30 p.m., 51 mile per hour wind gusts expected during that time, 50 mile per hour wind gusts in Raleigh, 48 in Charlotte, and then continuing through the next couple of hours, 7:30 p.m. high wind gusts, yellows, oranges and reds. Not a lot of breaks from the rain as we go through the day, and you can see in the mountains seeing those high winds as well as that heavy rainfall. As we head into this evening, we'll continue to see those high wind gusts. At times we could see 60 mile per hour wind gusts, and then into the overnight hours, and really before a lot of us wake up on Saturday morning, that's when we'll start to see things calm down. So 2 a.m. still kind of in the thick of it, but then 3, 4, 5 a.m. that's when things start to taper off as far as rain is concerned, and those winds will start to calm down as well. Still some breezy conditions tomorrow for sure, with gusts possible in the 30 mile per hour range. As we head into the next couple of hours after that, it kind of feels like Ian's over, but not so much, even though it won't be a tropical storm anymore and it'll continue downgrading and weakening over the next couple of days. That low pressure system will kind of linger over the Carolinas. So it's not until late on Monday that we truly say goodbye to Ian. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Impact days for Saturday and Sunday, and then that 40% rain chance for Monday. It gets a little easier every single day that we go through the next couple of days. But once this all starts, and it's already kind of started, we are in the thick of it for the rest of the weekend and into next week.
All right, thanks, Jacqueline. Well, late night